real time, what are the things, what are the WorkAto capabilities and reliability and feasibility, and how WorkAto is complexity or very easy to learn and all the things, and about the data integration and data transformations and all those stuff regarding the WorkAto. Okay, so we are also going through the many things on WorkAto. First, if you see about WorkAto, WorkAto is a automation tool and also an integration tool, which is a low code platform. There is no need of writing any code, 99%, and easy drag and drop tool and user friendly platform. Why it is an user friendly platform, and what is the capability that we can able to prove means Workato can have, Workato have the feasibility of all the built-in connectors. Okay, Workato has by default the built-in connectors. For an example, if you have Salesforce, email, Jira, or any particular MySQL, all the applications are available in the by default available in the Workato. Okay, there is no need of any external integrations or external uh, what I can say building of APIs. Integrating through APIs or applications or some other things. Workato will provide all the things. How it will be a drag and drop tool. Drag and drop tool is nothing but when you want to map the data or when you want to integrate the data from one application to another application, Workato provides. You don't want to integrate or to draw the flowcharts. It's just when you click on the particular buttons, a particular data's fields, it will directly map to the destination application without any much efforts. Okay, I think if the freshers are available in the session, don't worry that I'm just giving an heads up or I'm just giving a brief intro about Workato. That's it. When we deep dive into the particular flows or into the concepts or topics of Workato, you can able to go through the each thing, go through each topic, then you can able to understand at utmost. Okay. And coming to the Workato market outside, there are huge openings for the, not huge, I'm telling that much, but Workato has the market in the outside industry that there are many jobs opening for the developers, and what I can say, Workato is giving a good competition to the existing tools, and the openings and the packages is also very high in the market currently. Okay, so if you have any questions or if you want to discuss anything, you can able to discuss it with me. Later on, we'll just try to create a Workato trial account. After creating a trial account, we'll just to go through the overview. I'm not starting the session completely today.
Hi Rajesh. I have
Hi,
yeah,
please.
I have almost 15 years of experience in TIPCO,
Great,
MuleSoft,
and sorry,
and
1 second. Your voice is too low. I think is
okay,
that for me or the anyone is also facing the same thing?
yeah, now I can speak. Yeah, I have 15 years of experience in TIPCO and MuleSoft and all.
Oh, great.
But this much experience, we can go to the Workato and we have any openings with that experience.
Yeah, I can able to guide you. I can say the word like, so the overall experience is 15. We can go like in the integration platform, including that. So just go through the Workato, learn the Workato. So you have already experience with MuleSoft and TIPCO. So both it is Workato is by default an extension of TIPCO only. The loopholes or the what I can say the mistakes or the blockers which has been available in the TIPCO, it has been enhanced and developed with the Workato. Okay, so we can able to keep with the 4 years or 5 years of experience with Workato, then you can able to try it at outside as well. I mean, overall is 15. In that, Tipco and Tipco and MuleSoft plus with Workato, I have 3+ or 4+ years of experience. Okay, because all the projects which you have did with the Tipco or MuleSoft, we can able to replicate easily it in the Workato. Okay, but as a
Okay.
fresher, if you are a fresher, by going through all these sessions, I can assure you, you can able to keep it as a 1 year to 1.5 years of experience after the sessions. That I can able to assure you. But already if you are a experienced person with integration platforms, anything like Boomi, MuleSoft, SnapLogic, Celigo, like what is a Tipco or any other tools, if you are aware of, if you have experience, then you can able to go through like 3+ or 2.5+ as well, based on the knowledge or based on the understanding of the things. That's also works great because one thing I can able to assure you, like everywhere the concept is same, like data moving from one application to another application. In middle, the mediator will be these tools. Okay, the approach is, so the concept is same, but when you take or when you go with the different tools, then the approach with that particular tool will be the different. That's it. The so from we need to the same data, we need to move to source to destination. With the help of WorkAt also we are doing that. With the help of MuleSoft also we are doing that itself. But the approach what we are implementing or following in the uh, with the help of WorkAto and with the help of MuleSoft is different. That's it. Nothing other than that. Any other questions or any other things I want?
How many days it will take to learn in your vocabulary?
The sessions will be 40 to 45 days. Why I'm telling these huge days is mostly it will be done in 40 days itself. But some ways, if my agency or somewhere else, we may get some off, right? So that I'm telling just plus or minus 2 or 3 days. That's it, nothing other than that. So mostly it will be done in less than 40 days. If in case, if unfortunately or something else, if I was off on particular day, maybe that day will be extended. So that I'm mentioning plus or minus 2 days, 2 or 3 days.
Like weekdays only or weekends also will cover?
That's completely based on our available time, available 7 days itself. If you want, we can take off on Sunday. If you don't need, we can able to continue daily means we can able to continue daily as well. Okay. Ramakrishna Garu. Yeah, please.
Hi Rajesh and hi
Hi,
everyone.
hi.
So basically I'm from a data background where I worked for a data company. So I don't have any experience with this integration and all. So will this technology will be a correct choice for me to go forward or what's it, what the take on
Uh,
this?
Yeah, first, I just want to give clarity. If you want to switch from that particular zone or the domain to the integration domain, then if you go through these particular things and with the experience of previous experience, if you add 1 or 2 experience, I mean years of experience after learning Workato, it's a good choice to move into this. Okay, that what the complete depends upon the hard work itself. Uh, yeah, the completion is that if you want to completely, if you have decided completely, I need to move to this means you need to you need to sit and you need to learn the things, then it will be a best choice. Currently, integration platforms are growing huge in the market. Uh, Demand for the integration platforms.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, thank you.
Will you provide interview support and interview questions and mock interview? Yes.
Um, if you need, I can able to take mock interviews as well, but I haven't taken till now. And
Oh,
interview questions, regarding the interview questions, uh, uh, I won't provide any documentation kind of thing, but while explaining the single concept itself, I can able to raise the questions like when the particular concept is explaining, the people may raise the questions like this on this particular topic. I'll be explaining or giving the or asking the questions at that moment itself while explaining a single topic. If you maintain some running notes or if you are saving those things, I mean already you people will have the recordings as well. So then we can able to note it down while explaining the topics itself. You can able to remember the things. But I'll provide those interview questions while explaining that particular topic itself. I hope everyone has the topics list, right? Or you don't have that. If not,
We don't
let me
know.
okay, let me share you the okay, I didn't have the access for the access to share the things. Okay, I'll tell to them to upload the topics list in the website. There you can able to go through that topics list. Okay. Actually, I think it is also available on the training. I don't know website it is available or not. Any other questions if you need? I mean, if there are any questions, I can able to.
Hi, Rajesh.
Hi.
Yeah, actually, I have 5 years of experience in MuleSoft. Currently, I'm
Okay,
working as a senior MuleSoft developer.
great.
So, just wanted to know how is WorkAto different from MuleSoft in simple terms?
Uh,
Like, kind of projects is WorkAto best suited for?
yes. MuleSoft, I don't know much about MuleSoft, but MuleSoft, what are the things you can able to implement in the MuleSoft that can be replicated easily in the Workato with less time in an efficient way, and also the cost of building a particular project when compared with MuleSoft in Workato is very less. So that most of the projects in Workato is TIPCO to Workato migration, MuleSoft to Workato migration, and HR finance related projects. I mean, most of the projects which I'm seeing in my experience or in my colleagues, I mean, in outside the market and Workato. So healthcare is very less. Finance, HR, applications, employee data related stuff. Those are very,
And
very huge.
banking
Sorry,
project?
sorry.
Banking, I'm
Yeah,
asking.
banking project. I just had only two projects. I had of only two projects in banking side with Workato. Okay. So most in banking also, they have another tool they are did, but for notifications, alerts and integrating the complete notifications wise, they are using Workato. In Australia, one it is using one of the company. But if you have the knowledge of MuleSoft, definitely I'll assure you that it will be a big add-on to you people when you have the Workato skill in your hand, because most of the upcoming projects are with MuleSoft to Workato migration and TIPCO to Workato migration are there.
Okay. For someone like with MuleSoft experience, how easy is it to switch to WorkAto? Is it easy or
It's very easy. It's very easy. He can able to under just the terminology is different. That's it. Nothing other than that. If you go through, or I mean, openly I'm telling. So if you ask in the Google search or in the AI models, if you ask to the AI boards as well, ChatGPT or Gemini as well, is there a good option or a good decision to switch or to add a skill of Workato as a MuleSoft developer means, then it can able to provide you the best answer.
okay?
Definitely, it will be an add-on skill and it will increase the weightage to your resume as well. The people with MuleSoft, TIPCO, or any other integration tools. Definitely, it is an add-on point itself.
And how to test the APIs in Workato? Like in MuleSoft, we use it to like we use Postman to test our APIs. Do we need to use Postman in Workato, or
We can
is
go
there
through
any?
Postman or else, if not Postman in Workato, directly we have the option to test the APIs directly. after inside the WorkAto tool itself. No need of any external applications. I mean, without taking of help of external applications, we can able to test it in inside the WorkAto platform itself.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, if you want, I can able to share you the screen. But if the freshers are there, don't worry that I'm just going through that. If you want test wins, I can able to provide you that. Hope you able to see my screen, right?
No.
Not it?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Great. So if I want to test any API, so these are the APIs I have created. So for an example, if I want to get any details, I think whether I don't know whether it is running in the backend or not. But we can able to test it. We have a test request. We need to provide the path parameter. Click on try it out. We can provide the value. What is it is expecting path parameter. After that, if you click on execute, you can able to execute the thing. That's it. Or otherwise, I can able to see the running. Yeah. So I have this. When I click on try it out, test request, try it out. So it is asking for the request body to pass. For an example, if I have any request body to send, okay, I don't have currently the JSON. It is accepting the JSON body. So if I have to pass any JSON body, so I copied the JSON body and pasted the JSON body over here. That's it. When I click on execute, I'll get the response of that API. So endpoint is not running. Okay, it has thrown an error that the recipe endpoint is not active. That's it. So
Understood.
why? So it is very easy to go through that particular. So the recipes, I'm not telling all the things, but the recipe is not running. So if I started that particular stuff, and then if I execute, I can able to see the response.
These
So
methods are same, right? Get
API
post
request is
post.
success. Yeah, everywhere. APIs, those are the HTTP methods, API methods, both are same. Everywhere the methods, the status codes are same. That is the common base for the APIs. Just we are doing that, creating it. That's it. Endpoint URL. Nothing other than that. Any other questions?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Like in a meal sort, we have data we like for transforming the data. But in
Yes,
Workato, like, is there any type of a scripting language to transform one format
yes.
to?
Yes. WorkAto without any scripting also we can able to convert or transform the data from one file type to another file type. Like for an example, if you are getting JSON, if you want to convert it to XML, we can able to convert it to XML easily with a simple formula. If you want to convert it to XML, we can able to XML to JSON or JSON to XML, or if you want to convert JSON to CSV data, you are able to aware of CSV file. It will be same as Excel file. So we can able to convert easily to CSV file as well with single formula. That's it. Without
But
any
in
much efforts. Data?
we have a lot of operations to do to pick some data, from mapping. But in Workato like
No,
that,
no, no.
we have.
No. My answer is for only a particular thing, like for transforming JSON to XML, not for the transformations. If you want to do some transformations, then we need to go with the query operations or something else in the workout.
Yeah.
We can able to do all the things, and if you are coming to the scripting, we can able to use the scripting as well. Just give me a second, please. You can able to use the scripting in Workato. Three types of scripting languages will Workato supports: Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. Okay, if you want to do any transformations with the help of scripting languages, we can able to use by three these: Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. Workato is completely built on top of Ruby code. Workato is building backend. The code for the Workato, the backend code is completely with the Ruby code itself.
Yeah, you are using any Workato AI to
Workato?
AI?
Yeah, I'll be covering the Workato agents as well, Zini, MCP servers as well. AI agents I'll be covering in the sessions.
How about the support to SAP or Salesforce related ERPs?
Yeah, we have by default applications in Workato. We can able to integrate it easily for Salesforce, SAP, Azure, Snowflake, whatever the application it will be, you can able to integrate it very easily with Workato.
So do we have a, I mean, is it a trial version or can we use it any community
No, no,
edition?
no. We have the trial account, but there is no validity for that. I'll guide you how to create a trial account as well, and I'll be explaining in the trial account as well.
Okay.
Srinivasul garu, you just please.
Oh, yeah. Hi.
Yeah,
Good
hi.
evening. Actually, in this workout, can we
Sorry,
working?
your voice is very low. Is it only for me?
Yeah, now it's okay, right?
Much a bit better. Yeah, please tell me.
Okay. Yeah. By using this workout, can we start working on Excel and PDF files? Can create it?
Excel, Excel files and PDF files.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can able to handle easily. We can able to extract the data from the Excel file. You can able to create Excel files in Workato, whatever you need. So for an example, if from the SFTP, if you have experience, you can able to aware of these words. If you're getting Excel file from the SFTP or file storage, something else from an legacy system as well, we can able to extract the data. You can able to load that into the target applications, or you want to create an Excel file, you can able to do that as well in Workato. And coming to PDF file, uh, direct to PDF file extraction is not possible by the default applications. We need to go through the Python code or some scripting languages if you want to extract the data from the PDF file. And if you want to deal with this is for normal PDF file. If you want to go through invoices handling receipts. Okay, like this we have the documentation like invoices, and I want to extract the invoice data like invoice ID, invoice date, and amount, all those stuff. Then Workato will provide direct application. We have IDP. With that a particular application, we can able to extract easily. It works based on the backend of OCR, image processing. I think I am unable to hear your voice. Yeah, Shravani garu చెప్పండి. Sorry. Yeah, please.
Okay. Actually, how to deploy the APIs in Workato through CI/CD only? I mean, do we
No,
have
there is
access?
no need of Workato can support CI/CD, but for Workato, okay, I haven't told. Workato is completely a cloud platform, cloud application. There is no any local installers, there is no need of any local installations or some other things. It's a complete cloud application. If you want to deploy from one environment to another environment, you don't want to do much efforts. If you click single button, the selected flows will be deployed from one environment to another environment. And coming to the backup, CI/CD is mainly for the backup purpose while deploying itself. Workato by default, it is a cloud platform. Anyone can access easily. There is no need of CI/CD implementation with Workato. No one is implementing, no one is using CI/CD with Workato. But I'll be covering CI/CD in the session as well. But
I mean,
to
any
know some
central
awareness.
repository? Okay. Any
Yeah,
central
GitHub with
repository
GitHub
is not
with
there.
GitHub
Okay.
with GitHub.
With GitHub. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be taking GitHub and I'll be providing you that particular how we can able to store it into the on how to implement uh, the CI/CD pipelines with WorkAto and taking backup into the GitHub and deploying it to the target environment. But no one is using CI/CD for the WorkAto because it's a cloud application. Actually, why we consider CI/CD means normally if a particular team is working on a particular stuff and each person is working on individual modules, if they want to share the code to me, it's difficult to share, or if I want to review that code also, it's difficult to review it. Okay, so what they'll take will take one central repository like GitHub or GitLab or something else. So they'll push the data to the GitHub, I mean code to the GitHub. If I want, I can pull that data. If I want to review that, I can pull and I can able to review it. Okay, that. But where that occurs when we are working locally. But currently the WorkAto is a cloud platform. When I want to review your flows, I can able to directly access the URL. That's it. I can able to access your recipe, your flows directly without any uh, issues. So that is the main concern why people are not taking CI/CD, are not going through CI/CD in WorkAto. Anything? Someone is asking something. I am unable to hear that. Hello? Able to hear my voice or something?
Yes, yes, we can hear you clearly.
Great, great. Um, why I am not explaining the things means because everyone will have the full question mark on the first day. So that if I clarify those questions on the day one itself, then everyone will have this fresh and satisfied mind. Then we can able to go through the concepts easily. So that I'm asking the questions or I'm able to solve the queries which you have. Okay, rather than on starting day itself. Any other questions? You can able to ask it openly because the thing you need to learn and you need to improve, right? If you have any questions, anything related to WorkAto or any other things, you can able to ask. I'm open to answer those things.
What's the role of AI with WorkAto? Could you please elaborate on that? You had given high level you are going to cover. Could you please
Uh,
elaborate what you are going to cover?
we have the agents in WorkAto, AI agent. There is a huge difference between agents and bots. Agent will completely works by replacing the human. All right. So when you give a particular prompt to do something, the WorkAto will do all the things. For an example, uh, a new joinee has been joined to our team. We need to provide a Workato access to him. We need to first, no, we need to create an Workato account. We need to give access to him. We need to provide all the documentation related stuff to him. And we need to provide some, what I can say, KT kind of documentations or the flows which he need to go through. All those things. Okay. But if we ask the Genie is nothing but Workato AI agent name is Genie. Workato AI agent name is Genie. Okay, so if he asks that I am a new joinee, will you please provide me the Workato account? That's it. By providing his email, that's it. Everything was taken care by the Genie. That's it.
Okay,
It can able to.
okay.
Yeah,
I have one
please.
problem statement.
Yeah,
So
please.
my company is developing one LLM.
Okay.
Can I validate that LLM is
Uh,
working as expected
uh
or not using WorkAto?
no. Oh, that cannot be possible. But you can able to use your custom LLM. You can able to integrate your own custom LLM to the Workato agents. AI agent, but it is not currently implemented in the Workato. It's still developing. Very soon they are bringing to the market. Currently, for that we are using the Claude AI. We know the Claude, right? ChatGPT, Gemini,
Mm-hmm.
Claude. So
Yeah.
currently they are using Claude AI as the backend LLM model. Claude's LLM model. Very soon they are introducing to use our own custom LLM model as well. They are bringing that maybe in the last November, I attended an AA event. In that, they have showcased that it is the trial version. Trial is working fine, so they are working on the large scale to produce or to deploy to the market.
Okay.
Yes.
One more question. Sorry.
Yeah, please.
In SAP, we have a
Uh,
6 to 8 modules overall,
okay. Okay.
like FICO,
Yes.
material management. So
Yeah. Yeah.
does it cover or does it work for all the modules, or is there any
Frankly, before that, I haven't worked on, I just know about SAP, but I haven't worked in the real time with Workato. With SAP I mean, integrating SAP and Workato in the real time. But as per my knowledge, when I heard about the SAP, SAP FICO and the material, what you told, all the modules I don't know, but you can able to integrate easily with Workato.
okay?
Okay, but just a second. Yeah, meanwhile, if you have any other questions, you can able to ask me. Uh, Let me share my screen. Okay. So these are the applications currently by default applications supported by Workato. I mean SAP applications. Okay. And if you want to integrate, I mean, if as per your requirement, if that application, if you did not find over here, we can able to go with custom APIs as well. Okay. Okay, you can go with custom application or custom action means the particular action which is not available, then we can able to go with custom API as well. Like this, for every module, definitely there will be an APIs. So with that help of APIs, we can able to integrate easily in Workato.
Okay, got you.
Ye-
So
Yes,
most of the activities are drag and drop only, right?
yes,
Workato?
yeah, completely drag and drop only.
Got you.
Yeah.
So does it work for only functional or does it work for even performance, right? Or any idea on
L-
that?
Like in the sense.
Like for example, I have created a flow submitting
Okay,
for the invoice. So
okay.
I want to perform the same flow with 100 users at the same time. Does it? We can
Yes,
do that
yes,
one with
yes,
avocado?
yes, yes. Like
Okay.
simultaneously or one by one, you are telling. Both can be possible with Workato. You can able to process one by one, or you can able to process 100 invoices simultaneously as well.
Okay. Does
It is
that
possible.
means it will support for the performance
Batch.
testing also?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Any other?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Andy. Any other?
Yeah, hello.
Any? Yeah, hi. Japan. Yeah, please.
For Workato credentials, how we got credentials?
No, no, no. I'll guide you to create a trial account with Gmail. If you
Okay.
have a Gmail account, that's enough. We can able to create a trial account. I'll guide you in 5 minutes. After clearing all the things and all the stuff, I can able to guide you
Yeah, when
to
I'm
create a
going to
trial account.
creating the account, it's asking Workato working email, Gmail account. So that's it.
Yeah, that's it. If you have a Gmail, means you can able to create the Workato trial account, and there is no validity for the trial account. I mean, like 30 days, 3 months, like that. There is no validity for that. Any other? Any questions? Shall we
What
move?
certifications, Rajesh?
Yeah, mostly first thing, no one is asking outside the certifications, but for writing or for doing the certification exams, we need the corporate email. We cannot do the certifications with the help of Gmail or with the help of trial account access. If you have the trial, if you have the corporate email, then only we can able to do the certifications. I think VLR, they can provide you the corporate email like regarding the Teams, like Microsoft email. With that, you can able to log in into the certifications. Right, you can write the exams. We have foundation basic certifications are foundation level 1 and level 2 certifications are very basic currently. After going through the topics, I mean the sessions which I am covering, you can able to easily uh, write those exams. There is only two exams, level 1 exam and level 2 exam.
Okay, what about I heard that Pro 1, Pro 2, Pro 3 exams, right?
No, no, no. That's what I mean to say. We have Pro 1, Pro 1, 2, 3 only. But from November 2025, they have what I can say over. Sorry, they deprecated Pro 1, Pro 1, Pro 1, 2, 3. On place of that, they have introduced foundation level 1 and level 2. The three exams has been combined into two exams, and they have renamed as foundation level 1 and level 2.
Okay, got it.
Okay, from November 2025, they have deprecated Pro 1 to 3. On place of that, the three exams has been combined into two exams, and they have renamed as Foundation Level 1 and Level 2.
Validity of that certification?
Uh, 3 years or 2 years, it is approximately for 2 years or 3 years mostly. We need to write the exams again. I didn't remember that new certification sorry, expiry date. I haven't checked it, but it is available for 2 to 3 years, more than that itself. Don't worry.
Oh,
And if you have the talent, no one is asking the certifications in the market currently. Okay. Yeah,
thank
yeah, yeah. I have shared you the WorkAto documentation link as well in the chat. So if you want, you can, I mean, the first, even though if I explain you the many things, but the first point of contact, the first point of what I can say, uh, first viewing thing is documentation itself. After viewing the documentation, then only the other things, I mean, secondary point of contact will be the person. First point of contact will be only the documentation. And I have shared another link as well. What other thing is systematic community. Okay, so in that, just to go through that community every day, the people we used to ask the Workato queries, Workato questions to it. Okay, if you know, you can able to I mean the real time scenario questions or real time errors. The people who is working on the real time projects, if they block at some point, if they have some issues, they can able to post in the systematic community. Many of the developers are able to answer those things. So that will be the better thing. If you have any issues, you can able to post the questions in that. The people will provide answers for you. And documentation, those two things are very important. We need to create a account in the systematic community with the Gmail itself.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, like already Delbumi is there. It is possible for on-premise and cloud both
Yes,
deployments. I
yes,
was to do
yes.
like both
Yeah,
are like
WorkAto
what is
also
the
yeah, yeah, WorkAto also supports on-premise. Like if you want to connect to any remote servers or the local things, you, you can able to connect to that systems.
Yeah, can you tell me like why WorkAto and already we have Delvomi, like, what is the future of this? Can you explain now?
Yeah, that's what I told, right? So, for an example, Boomi, the licensing cost of Boomi is very high when compared with Workato, and I'm not demerging or I'm not providing negative publish or anything on Boomi. Boomi has its own capability. Workato has its own capability, but Workato is an user-friendly platform. For an example, if a flow has been built by me, if you are 1 year experience or a particular or basic knowledge of Workato can able to understand the flow what I have built in Workato. Okay, and also Workato have the pre-built applications. So what I have shown for an example like SAP, Gmail, Jira, Salesforce, MySQL, etc. Whatever the application we have, I mean 400 plus applications are directly available in the Workato. You don't need to integrate with external APIs or something else in the Workato. And it can able to handle bulk data lakhs of records as well with the help of Workato. And Workato provides you the by default storage of 100 GB as well. If you want to store the files or any things, Workato can able to provide that as well. You can able to use the Workato file storage as a SFTP server as well. So these are some add-on things or feasibilities what Workato can provide you. And the future of Workato is, yes, it has the future. And then the people are, the Workato people are also focusing more on the new things, and they are adapting to the new technologies as well, like AI. They are trying mostly with the Workato AI things as well. And MCPs they have introduced, which is working as a very good like proxy layer or API management layer with the help of MCPs.
Okay, Bhumi, like inside itself, Bhumi AI is there. Like in the WorkAto, like inside it is there, like outside,
No, no, it
we
has
have the
AI capabilities. We can able to integrate ChatGPT, Gemini, direct applications are available. You can able to integrate easily with AI as well.
yeah, that is okay. That is inbuilt feature or like outside.
Inbuilt, inbuilt feature. We don't want to integrate any other things from the outside.
Like how is the like input we get like upstream, downstream? Generally, like what is the data flow happens? So, like what kind of input files usually we will get?
Whatever you can provide it, Workata can handle any type of file format, CSV, Excel, PDF files. I didn't get the exact question. Which type of files you are expecting, like to handle?
It's like suppose upstream, downstream. If you take any other integration tools, there we'll get like source is SAP and target is any other web service, any
Okay.
DB or like
Mm.
that. Here, how the kind of flow I'm asking.
The same thing itself, we can able to get the file contents, the PDF file or Excel file from the SAP Concur. If you're getting a file, then you can able to easily load that file into the target application, Salesforce or anything else, or into SFTPs as well. Flow is simple. Just read the data, upload the file. That's it. Nothing else. If you want to do some transformations or if you want to modify the data, we need to go through it. That's it. A simple flow, nothing complexity while building these simple flows, because already we have that applications, built-in applications over here. We don't want to configure any APIs or any other stuff.
So can we go ahead and apply for the developer or integration engineer? Which role we can go ahead after completion of this course?
If you are experienced, you can go with senior integration developer as well. If you have 15 years of experience, means definitely you can go with I mean as per Workato, you can go with tech lead as well. But tech lead or some, I don't know about 15 years means, sorry if I tell any mistake, but you can able to go through that. But if you have 3+ years, 4+ years of experience, you can go with overall is 5 years, and you can keep Workato as a 2+ years of experience. Then you can go with a senior integration developer.
So overall, you are covering on the integration side. Is my understanding correct?
Yes, Workato is only an integration platform, integration and automation tool.
That's right. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay. If
How about
in
the job opportunities in the market for WorkAto, either the US?
there are good enough openings on Workato in the current market. I'm seeing every day. Uh, if you are the couple of job openings in the market.
How about the US market, if you know?
Yeah, I heard of US market as well. There are many openings on US, Workato openings in US as well. Even I get the calls as a support as well. Even I'm doing
It
that.
is
Like
so WorkAuto as an individual platform, it is getting the projects, or WorkAuto the clients are trying to replace MuleSoft and Boomi to replace with WorkAuto, because WorkAuto
client,
licensing is lesser than
yes,
example of the
other compared with
MuleSoft.
other tools. No, clients are choosing Workato, and also Workato is also projecting that our tool is best like that. Both things are happening.
Mhm.
So if it
How
is
about the
done,
coding? Sorry to interrupt
yeah,
you.
yeah, please, please.
How about the customization? So I understand when I go through some Workato documentation,
Okay.
there won't be much coding knowledge is required, or there won't be much
Yes,
customization is not required. Is it true, or based
yes,
on the
it is true.
business? One
No,
second.
uh,
Based on the domain of like either banking or the retail or manufacturing, based on the domain of the project, that will be a vary. So some projects may have more coding, some projects may not have coding, or WorkAuto itself will not have much code, irrespective of any domain or any client.
First thing, irrespective of any projects or domains, there is no need of any coding knowledge or to write the code in the Workato. Okay, but in some situations, definitely in some situations, to handle some scenarios, for an example, previously particular, I don't know, someone has asked about the file conversions from JSON to XML or JSON to CSV or something else. Okay, we can if it was a simple file with a static structure, we can directly go with native to Workato. But if there is any changing or some complex structure, if you are unable to handle directly native to Workato, then we can able to go through the coding part itself. That
Coding
completely
part,
based on the requirement.
okay. So
There
which
are
language
Workato
it supports?
supports,
Python.
yeah,
Yeah, go
coding.
ahead.
Workato supports three types of coding, as I told earlier as well. Someone has been asked, like Python, JavaScript, and the Ruby. These three scripting languages are supported in Workato.
Do you cover as part of this training
Yes,
any of the
yes,
language, or
one Python I will be covering in that in our what I can say in our sessions in the training.
also OAuth to JWT, these kind of security policies, do you cover as part of this course, or
Yes, what
that one?
2.0 auth key, like auth key means API token based, and what 2.0 I'm going to cover. If you need, I can able to add JWT as well. As a part of the training, I'll be covering only API token based and what 2.0 authentications.
Yeah.
So we'll try to create a trial account. If anyone possible, I can able to share the screen. I can able to guide you how to create a trial account. Anyone? Because already I have the trial account. If I show it again, it will skip some steps. Yeah, please. Anyone is fine.
After getting the training, can we jump into the any job opportunity immediately
Yes,
to?
of course, definitely.
No, no, to get the job is different, and to start work in the real time, the project's visibility is different, right? So
Yes.
just after completing the course, if I get an opportunity after selecting the process, then if I go for the project, if they deploy in the project, if they deploy me at the client's location, then
Okay.
based on this knowledge, what you are training is sufficient to deploy at the client location and work.
Yes. Yes, for sure. That I told already. If you are prior to the integration experience, if you have already the integration experience, then it is not a big deal for you people. For the freshers, you will get only 1 year or 1.5 years of experience after this training.
Do you
Okay,
publish
Ram.
any? Of course, I joined little late. So, do you publish
Uh,
any kind of documentation what you cover as part of the topics and the concepts of the
I'll
Workato?
provide the topics list, but I won't provide any documentation kind of thing. You need to go through only the recordings.
I mean, notes on daily basis, Viras.
No, yeah, I was not providing any notes. The just you will get the recording itself. But I'll explain you what topic I am going to cover today and tomorrow as well. Prior to that, I'll notify you that tomorrow I'll going to cover these topics.
Okay, post this course completion, what kind of assistance for the job searching and resume preparation? Your help, your what is your contribution?
I'll provide you the interview questions and how to prepare as well. What are the expectations on a particular topics? What the people are expecting from you that I can able to guide you. But resume preparations that I cannot. But I can explain you the real-time projects. 3 to 4 real-time projects I'll be covering in this training itself.
Yeah, like in the interviews, it's not like before they are expecting so much in-depth scenario based, and sometimes they are telling like what is the last change you made and what is the like day-to-day activities. What is the last change you made and the complete
Yeah.
one project end-to-end they are
I-
expecting to
Asking.
explain.
Yeah, I'll provide you that end-to-end project as well. I'll explaining you, or I'll guiding you how to learn or how to implement a particular project from end to end of about 10 months and 1 year project and 4 months, 5 months projects I'll provide you. 3 to 4 projects.
I mean, provide you
Okay, like
means you
any
will be
mock interviews
explaining.
from your end.
Uh,
Yeah.
I am not taking mock interviews till now. If you want, I can able to take it as well.
Because do you again a last question for me from my
Yeah,
side. So do you explain each concept by giving the real time
real-time
scenario
example.
experience?
Yes, for sure. First, I'll
Real time
explain
means
a
in your
topic.
experience, you may
Yes,
be
yes.
working in one of the
Where I
project,
have
right?
where I can able to implement this particular concept, what I have achieved by using this particular topic. I mean, why I have implemented in real-time topic, sorry, real-time project, what you have achieved after implementing this particular scenario. First, I'll be explaining with the static data. Later on, I'll be implementing that into the a particular real-time scenario. With each topic, I'll be guiding through that itself.
I think most of the guys are experienced guys. I think normal conceptually may not require directly. You can jump into the real time so that
Sure.
it will
Maybe the
be
freshers are
save that.
also there. It is a bit difficult if I switch. Definitely, the freshers is also there currently. That is the main problem.
Okay, okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. But I'll be guiding, providing you the basics and also the real-time knowledge as well. That's for sure. Ramakrishna garu, yeah, please. We'll wind up in 3 minutes.
So like earlier you asked someone to share screen, right? So I raised my hand.
Yeah. Please
To
come. Please
express my
share it
opinion.
fast. I'll provide you the. I'll show you how to create trial account. Yes.
Is my
So how
screen
many
shared?
years of you have experience on MuleSoft? Can I know? As the last question again.
Sorry, I don't have experience on MuleSoft. Only I have
Oh,
experience with
sorry, not
WorkAto.
MuleSoft. Sorry, to WorkAto.
WorkAto.
I need to correct.
Yeah,
Yeah.
WorkAto 5 years. Overall is 6.5 experience in IT industry. IT industry with WorkAto approximately to 5 years. Oh, okay. You have already no. I'll providing a link in the chat. Will you please open that chat, that link? Please copy that link. If you left the meeting, you can able to, you are unable to access to that link or copy the link. So copy the link. After copying the link, just paste it in the browser. Okay. Okay. After going to the browser, you are able to see get a free Sandbox account on the bottom. Okay. Click on that. Okay. After accessing that, if you go down there, you can able to see the Google. There you can able to see the Google. Click on that Google. After that, you can able to select a particular email ID which you want to. Please don't do anything. Just 1 second. So with which email you want to create a trial account or the WorkAto account, select that particular email address. Okay. After clicking on that particular email address, we need to provide the consent access because Gmail and WorkAto are completely third-party applications, right? We need to giving that read and write permissions for creating an account. That's it. So those are the consent access. Click on continue. Okay. After that, the one page will be displayed. Okay, here click on get started, and in this page we need to select build a recipe, the third option. Okay, that's it. The WorkAto trial account has been created successfully, but these steps cannot be asked every time when you log in. Okay, and tomorrow we'll see about how to create a project. Before creating a project, we'll try to walk through the WorkAto view overview, what is available in WorkAto, what are the features and all other things. Just what topics names, like I just give you the what I can say basic terminology words. What is the like to showcase you how the feasibility of WorkAto, all those things. Later on, we'll start with the individual topics, deep diving into that each topics. Meanwhile, I'll tell to the person that to share the topics list with you all people. Okay.
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 Tomorrow
Great.
it will be the
Yeah,
same
any
chart.
certification
It
help
will be
can be
tomorrow at
provided.
sorry,
Hello. Yeah, any certification help can be provided later completion of course.
No, not like that. You need to do the certification, work at a certifications. There is no any training certifications. You can able to go through the work at a certifications as well. After going through all the training, you can able to you can able to write the certification exam easily. Yes, please.
Is it like any free like we can do like in Delbumi like any we can do freely, right? So here also like that or
Yeah,
any
freely
pay.
only certifications. There is no amount to pay for the certifications. Certification level 1 and level 2 are free certifications.
Like what is the variation when we go to support side, when we go to development side? Like what are the certifications are needed? And what is the
Pro
URL?
one,
Like
like level 1 and level 2 certifications are enough, not more than that. Okay. Yeah, please make it fast. I just want to leave. Yeah, Srinivasulu garu cheppandi. Yeah, please.
Yeah, actually, this development API is based on completely browser build one, or
Yes,
else
yes,
it's
yes. I
enabled.
told that only browser based thing. There is no any need of local installations or something else. Only cloud based. What you have created account in the just now with the URL, I am explaining all the things in that URL itself, with that URL itself.
Okay.
Yeah,
So in the
great.
real time also, it will be through the browser only when we
Yes, it is
the
with
client,
the browser only, nothing other than that. Workat is
even with
completely
the
a cloud platform.
cloud platform. Okay, even if
Yes,
you deploy at the client's location, it will be through browser only, right? The
browser
navigation.
itself. Yes, yes, yes.
Do you cover SAP for any one of the RFC or
No,
IDOC or ABAP?
no. I'll be covering Salesforce, Jira, MySQL, SFTPs kind of stuff itself. There is no SAP because there is no trail account for that. Okay, then actually I need to jump into another meeting. Sorry for that. We'll be discussing the Workato overview on tomorrow. Later on, we'll be deep diving into the things.
Sorry, I missed to
Okay.
ask you. What's your name? Sorry,
Rajesh, Rajesh.
Rajesh. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Tomorrow we'll meet on tomorrow at same time, 8:30 a.m. Thank you. Bye.